Hello guys, today we are going to discuss the most common problem which is faced by many of people, that is dark circles. At the end of our consultation with nearly 50% of patients complain of dark circle and ask for a single cream to treat that condition, which never gonna be possible with a single cream because the cause are variables. There are numerous causes which can cause dark circles. Today I'll gonna discuss about those causes and their treatment parts which can be covered. So let's discuss about the causes of dark circles. Taking the first cause, that is the thin skin, mostly seen in females जिनकी स्किन पतली होती है, उसके कारण से जो खून की नलियां जो कि काफी बार डार्क ब्लू होती है वो स्किन के नीचे से दिख रही होती है। तो जब वो ज्यादा सो लेते हैं, जब वो कम सोते हैं, जब थके हुए होते हैं तो उनकी आंखों के आसपास में डार्क सर्कल दिख रहे होते हैं। The second cause is thick skin, which could be because of weight gain, that is called as acanthosis nigricans. It could be because of allergy, जिनको constant rubbing करने के कारण dark circles आ जाते हैं, and it could be because of aging, fine lines या gross lines आपके आंखों के आसपास आ जाती हैं जिसके कारण dark circles आपको दिख रहे होते हैं। The third point is very obvious. The dark circle is because of the pigment around the eyes, which is very common and could be treated easily. The fourth reason of dark circle around the eyes could be because of the hollowness, which is commonly seen in men. एज के साथ में या नॉर्मली वैसे भी फैट लॉस होने के कारण, आंखों के नीचे का फैट लॉस होने के कारण वहां पे एक गड्ढा बन जाता है जिसके कारण आपको डार्क सर्कल दिख रहा होता है। फिफ्थ कॉज could be genetic. It could be because of the shadowing effect of your bone overlying the orbit, which also lead to dark circles. So coming to the treatment part, first part is the home remedies. Home remedies is for prevention of dark circles. It is not for the cure of dark circles. Like the cucumber slice, जिसके स्किन पतली है और डार्क सर्कल होते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द engorged blood vessels below the thin skin. With the help of cool cucumber slice, वो थोड़ी देर के लिए shrink कर जाते हैं जिसके कारण आपके डार्क सर्कल कम दिख रहे होते हैं। For people who started to have the dark circle, जब वो काफी इनिशियल फेज में होते हैं, जब आप रेगुलर बेसिस पे पोटैटो स्लाइस रखते हैं तो बिकॉज ऑफ द लाइटनिंग एजेंट्स व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट इन द पोटैटो स्लाइस, that dark circle improves, but it takes a long time for that. Coming to the medical treatment for dark circle, the first cause, that is the thin skin. In thin skin, vitamin K serum works wonders because they help to reduce the blood vessels swelling over there and also the color because of the blood vessels. Second, in the thick skin condition, weight gain, as I told you, acanthosis nigricans lead to thick skin and leading to dark circles. So weight reduction is gonna help you. In patient with allergic condition, treat the allergy first so that the condition doesn't come again and again. And the fourth part, aging process, treatment of the fine lines also gonna help in the dark circle improvement. In case of dark circles, because of the hollowness below the eyes, fillers is the best answer for that. No creams, no lasers gonna work in such conditions. So filler gives the best results which last, and it gives the immediate results also which last for a period of 1 to 2 years depend of the what fillers you used in the treatment of the hollowness below the eyes. So consult your dermatologist for the cause of the dark circle and get treatment according to it.